In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Framer grids for better layouts. If you're a designer looking to elevate your website's aesthetic and functionality, Framer is a fantastic tool that allows you to create professional websites without writing any code. It's time-efficient and user-friendly, making it beloved by many in the design community. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to start by opening your web browser and navigating to Framer's official website. Once there, if you're not already logged in, you'll need to do so. Simply find the login option at the top right corner of the homepage and click on it. Enter your credentials, and voila, you're logged in. Once you're logged into Framer, you'll find yourself on the Framer homepage. This is your base of operations where you can see all your existing projects or start new ones. Go ahead and click on the project you're planning to work on. If you haven't created one yet, you can easily start a new project from here by following the prompts. Now that you have your project open, take a moment to look around if you're unfamiliar with the interface. At this point, what you want to do is locate and click on the Creative button. This option is an excellent place to start as it houses various features and elements that you can incorporate into your project, including grids. Next up is the exciting part: incorporating grids into your design. Look for the grid pattern option within Creative. When you click on it, you'll immediately notice a transformation in your workspace. Grids are laid out systematically to help you better plan the placement of different elements on your web page. Grids are an incredibly useful feature because they give your layout structure and rhythm, making your designs look cleaner and more balanced. Once you have your grid set up, feel free to drag and drop different design elements onto the grid. This process helps you maintain consistency across your design and ensures that everything aligns perfectly, a crucial aspect that can help in creating visually stunning web pages. Depending on your design needs, you can adjust the size and spacing of the grids to suit your layout perfectly. Keep in mind that using grids not only simplifies the design process, but also plays a crucial role in enhancing the usability of your website. A well-structured layout creates a seamless browsing experience for users, which in turn can increase engagement and satisfaction. And there you have it. You've just learned how to effectively use Framer grids to enhance your layouts. Remember, practice makes perfect. So take some time to explore these features and see how they can transform your web designs. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!